Sam Marieta ngoro kujwas mukaya inche ntenerete ofisi ya Kisii Town ntogwate recruitment y'abantu baje kolega si Dubai rero gaiga Elim Academy bona nakitendererete moroje abago conduct interview no bara bona nya call willing obate passport na bago process eli mchumwezi manyole gas.
Kwa majina ni Morris Mongi Njoroge. Sisi tunafanya na ofisi inajiita Golden Arena International, tuko Nairobi CBD University Way Delta Hotel, third floor 305. Sisi tunafanya recruitment ya kupeleka watu overseas. We have Dubai jobs for maids, we have carpenters, we have laborers, we have electricians. So kwa saa hii tuko Kisii ndio tunafanyisha interview. So naomba watu wangu wa Kisii wenye wananijua wakuje kwa wingi. Bado interview zinaendelea leo na kesho. Mnaweza tupigia simu kupitia namba yenye iko kwa website ya online na pia yangu mimi mwenyewe binafsi. Namba ni 0721 930 440 Morris. In Dubai, they don't have to ukuwe na papers, only just skills ndio zinakusaidia na ukuwe na passport ama ukuwe na pesa ya kuapply passport ndio ukuje kuapply kazi. Passport kwa saa hii ni 50 pages, so it's just 9,550 to pay for eCitizen. The other fee inakuja kwa cost ya kushughulika hizi. You have to cater for ticket, good conduct, medical, then visa. Hizo zote ukikuja kututembelea tutakujulisha kwa mengi.
Asamba leta nguru Joshua Nyonka Mugire seitombo gyako suneka Kisii County. Bono enaigwe kwende e company ge ku advertise kwa namwa tigango nchenteme kora ndi gasi ya masonry and carpentry ngo korande na chira na bantesti bangere kirento na korre warre nganya twanga machibu na bare kirento ndo chenga amakore free na bogocho oteme ndo chenga ikambali ningia igaiga Kisii County kwende elimu opposite Kisii School
niliyotanda Gracian Mbae isinaru nka iranda kitutu chache ndo bante ikeganiri plumbing, masonry.
This is Sarkan Yildirim.
This is Mustafa Harbi.
We are working with Limak company, Limak Mapa in Dubai. This is a metro project, Blue Line metro project. You can Google it. We are hiring the people. We are looking for the people. If you come, your visa will be ready in 15 days, 20 days. Maximum 1 month you will be in Dubai. We need you to work with us. If you need to work, if you need a job, just join us.
And we are so happy if you are joining us. Our work is ready, waiting for you. We are waiting here for your interview.
We are looking for steel fixers, shuttering carpenters. We are looking for laborers. We are looking for electricians for the building. Also, we need the leaders, foremans. What was the name in the chat? Chargant.
Group leaders.
We are looking for chargant for the group leaders. We are looking 500. Yani we have very good numbers. Join us.
And our project it's ongoing. We are waiting. So quickly you are joined us.
Project will be 6 years project. So if you are good workers, you can work there maybe 5-6 years.
Maybe more than that one.
Of course, there is a company not paying anything. You should pay yourself what you are coming, what you are going. Until the Dubai, when you are reaching Dubai, company is not paying anything. When you are in Dubai, then company start giving your insurance, health insurance, giving your salaries,
Food.
giving your food allowance.
Your transportation,
And then
your
after
accommodation.
you work 1 year, then company give you ticket allowance to come and visit your family one time. So this is good opportunities. Tomorrow we are here also. Yes. After that we will go to Eldoret 2 days.
Yes. Then Monday.
Then we are going to Nairobi for 3 days.
Yeah. as from
Okay,
Tuesday.
you don't have too much
Wednesday.
time. You have to join us very quickly.
Yes. Samari etangoro ku Vincent Kerongo omugusinde kamusocho abuna musocho omwana onkandega ene company to direct so tokwera tore bot janda abaiseke nabamura kwera tore abe okay kwera tore Saudi kwera tore Qatar kwera tore Oman kwera tore Turkey na Kuwait kwera tore asai once. So nambona mundu ikatware passport ya yenyene wikatware na bali batakwati passport na butoko bakona ku apply poro mundu atware besa ye passport no oli obwatire maybe terasoka abako agocho bisine token number tomokone busuguma soka bwangu. So boniga tubate chikasi Dubai una motoro chegaiga na basunga barabu aba twachitana barabu yubarokenga. So tubachi kasi Dubai muna vere siricha plumbers, steel fixers, obo foreman, udurata nenera pande, gocha depending na kiore. Tarira simango wike university omeka na olegasi. Eye no kakira sinane. Bora Anson skill obwate egasi togoko ande mbuango wakibisa. Kama ko choto tabine fundi ore e carpenter no ere bintu no birare muna morocho olia kona ko kuochi gugaria atwara kyobo manyibwaye after twararira obumanyi bwaye bono oli no kumwiti direct muna gweta obumanyi ne fundi ole bwate nyundo bwate musmali no tumna kona kumugori alinga ngorokie kabu muna kona gukora igo ngora anya gwakra ni bintu igo muna morocha abu akoto tebi muna morocha igo alafu ngoira tore bonsi estima nini laborers kila muntu in general. So gaste go kubara depending I borrow choice ne passport ya morocha korore bona bwa amopimi kiregendo gocha igo imoroche tari bintu biri bya bipindi wasenga nini ginendo kire genuine kabisa obviously ekoro Golden Arena Delta House opposite Central Police University of Nairobi bari Nairobi obviously no ga opposite Central Police Delta House 3rd floor room 305 na gusiga iganto igore branch ju twara kana raba murato ko batebitira ko Nairobi maramba kwa tifea mbako na raweka the exact time abana bantu bakwenda nechinsa so tukatobeke branch gusi kwanza ndobate branch makutano ga bunto igorete ngagerete mwe namba yomo yogokora makutano ororo mwegu so ndubatorore branch na ndengwe baratore yende none Eldoret ngwenda tore Jumamosi abo then Jumatatu Jumanne Jumatano tore Nairobi so mwike in short gas and down 5 tore housemaid Saudi Mbosa baruchane passport yao nene yo nini nke Saudi free baruchane passport ndoroko batara muntu passport karakara ngo batara barengera kini serikali ya Kenya bono ya sign to mkataba ibo kubatara beske passport ekarusiku so tokatambu ya beske bebo atere alafu mangana to na ndo monta yakore medical munogo etaiga okore medical orengi mbiyole tobwetigiyo kenyinyi kende gyons tomako gendere process kabisa so chive samune yabona ya Dubai 130 ondata go charge gwetani abo incho direct for obisina gotebiri 130 ondata go service chinyinge gwetani gabo so korugabo 130 tokore ndana kirense a commission yae kwarorire Oman yae Dubai yae Qatar yae Turkey yae kulingana no mushahara umukono obviously Central Police opposite Central Police Delta House 3rd floor room 305 no moroche director neroyo Caleb no mororira abo yonere director baba telling more about you guys
egasi twara korire gasi forong ntomanyeka ine gusiago etagweta abandu twairire mbare bachire nande tobairani eria kabere gobono ne chance ingi ya sabantu bali mutagete kogende gasi ya construction e company nene sana e project babwate emia kene yokorosi erelwe so igonchu mostly totagete chikapenta lakini chikapenta ni still fixer na bali batabwati skills batasomete kende gyonsi bado ntobwata amabagaino ye chi helper igonchu mwensi toboa no tatuare passport orobwate chibese tora goshugulikere passport na bogo chokonyu konyore passport bwango so tatokore interview by next week konyore passport ya sokere miaka 45 go chance paka 21 paka 45
acha ne birth certificate ebwata ine ne mali tare kibande tari nge certificate birth certificate bata mali tamangao ikibande kibata mangao kiregento chitariki kiregento kibakane abaiboli kiregento acha ne birth certificate original ikibande kya original chi photocopy beri cha abaiboli chi photocopy kira chitari bando original chi photocopy oli otabugati na bago chane chi death certificate nebese driver ngo iratore drivers by the way na ande bora atware driving license valid kabisa ngo iratore chi driver by the way of course ama audoma baga yakoba make agocha iga kerugoro so muna hakoba iga tutawaambia a contract botange a contract lowest yo chakire myaka ibere gocha igo lakini se myaka ibere kwegwe leave limorioka eyo mutinyi 30 days so gokore myaka ibere gogo takori niyo osina bogocha okora kamutinyi okora chi project chao iga nandoirane bora to miskoira na that contract ya umune kwera
Samuel Nyakundi naika iga gocha gokora interview koru keroka na rembier naende progress mbiye ndagata aiga manyane natomune achente koruku Geoffrey Nyakundi skiri ane na mangana roofing na masonry sasa isimbiye kere na interview mbiye ndagata kama tebinga nero nyakare noko gani na bagocha na bagokonyeka
kwa shughuli keru kiregento after 2-3 weeks ngonyorore visa yao gaiga trust me na ndo chota bya bantu after 2 weeks atoiga ya kane ona chire ticket yenda kwenda na ande the aba Kenya mo kwenda ali mo korega sinechinguru basigeta aba Kenya because more strong tali aba Filipino bari very weak bako korega sibango baro bona kubanzire aba Kenya so you come you take your brother orangeli onde busigo sinechenchi owebi bopungue igento mune kito punguza owebi gusi nene so aya so kwenda batabi bonsi bake koko mambi notora saa 2 bado notorega iga elimu academy opposite Kisi school noto batenta twataka ukora rero twende Eldoret lakini twateba ko bayabantu bari batarikeru na bari ye tigatora tulia mambi dioka baje ko saa 2 paka saa 10 omoiso ochene passport ya original na kama tobwate na bogochora ko interview endo kya mwimura eta kwanza after gwetira maskara ona tanganire motwaria passport na bokubwata ebese rigigo opusherwe passport wike ya mawe passport yao kabisa
asa mali tamba urumwenga mwaka machere si tuniranda twawogire konyora Kisi FM gocha mtu abwate interview ya abana bakonde Dubai abana tutabange saidi ya 1500 twanyorita abarabu abanyene chikamboni bagitaho kali abana interview na obara nonto no mwako monene tugusaba guchakira mambi abana baije bakore interview telinko mwana bwate passport na bagocha oyo tabwate passport na bagocha kore interview amanye kubwate passport egente gegerkia bwango mutinyo yabo bachire igo gucha abantu baito oyo tegereretie yaito nondo igure tigate yo abana bari chirani na abandi baicha mambi asobo ngitore mambi ana Jumamosi